DXYZ stock analysis Wednesday and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at DXYZ stock, I'm super bullish, right? I'm very bullish on Destiny Tech 100 stock. Now, before I get into the exact play and my exact approach, just to give you context, I'm using my strategy and system that has previously given me thousands of wins in 2023. And I'm telling you this because that's the truth and I've documented everything. So, DXYZ, super bullish. Like previously, I was bullish here. Now, I made this prediction in 8th of April, like kind of at the end of the day, but then after that, it already happened. So, I can go ahead and show you this. This was the video, I suppose. Right. Yeah, you get the point here. You see, this is when I made the video. And after this, already kind of delivering. Now, this is what happened after it. Then what's next? I'm only really expecting the price to come back down into my demand area and still give me the rules for me to then again be bullish. Because I've already kind of missed this and it didn't really give me the rules. So, yes. But I need to wait. Only bullish if the price gives me the rules, though, right? I'm not just going to blindly be bullish. So, for more value and resources, check out the first link in the description.